Day. It's certainly a cool day for August. Just 73 in the city, 69 in Allentown today, 76 in Cape May and Dover. Periods of rain, 1 to 2 inches on the way, but locally higher amounts than that.
All right, Melissa, thank you again. Here's a look now at some of the stories coming up this afternoon on Action News at 4. With federal funding at stake, the city of Chicago sues the Justice Department over demands for sanctuary cities that is calling unconstitutional. We have reaction from Philadelphia leaders coming up today. 4 o'clock. That's going to do it for Action News at noon. Don't forget to join us later at 4, 5, and 6. Now for meteorologist Melissa McGee, David Murphy, Sarah Bloomquist, Alicia Vitarelli, the entire Action News team, I'm Rick Williams. Have a nice afternoon. Stay dry. We'll see you tonight.
Action News is sponsored by FC Kerbeck, your premier Buick dealer, featuring one of the largest selections of luxurious Buicks in the tri-state area. FC Kerbeck